To add a Cash App card to Afterpay, start by opening the Afterpay app on your device and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Payment Methods section, which is usually found in the Settings or Account menu. In the Payment Methods section, select the option to add a new card. You will be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The Cash App card is a Visa debit card issued by Cash App, so ensure you select the correct card type. Enter the card number, which is the 16-digit number found on the front of your Cash App card. The expiration date is also found on the front of the card and is usually in the format MYY. The security code, also known as the CVV, is a 3-digit number found on the back of the card. Once you have entered your card details, review them to ensure they are correct. Afterpay will then verify your card by charging a small amount, usually $1, to the card. This is a standard security measure to ensure the card is valid and you are the owner. After verification, the charge will be refunded to your card. You can then use your Cash App card to make purchases through Afterpay. When making a purchase, select the Cash App card as your payment method and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that Afterpay may have certain requirements or restrictions for using a Cash App card, such as limits on the amount you can spend or the types of purchases you can make. Be sure to review Afterpay's terms and conditions to understand these requirements. By following these steps, you can easily add your Cash App card to Afterpay and start making purchases using the app. Remember to always keep your account and card information secure to avoid any potential issues or disputes.